I'm going to give you a quick code demo of what a Streamlit application looks like. This is the application that I built. It's just a simple to-do app because I know a lot of you are familiar with making those. Normally, in order to build an application like this, you would need to know some HTML and CSS because you need to actually build this user interface that you're seeing. But I want to show you that in Streamlit, you don't need to know any of that. You can do this in pure Python. So I installed the Streamlit library, which I did by just running the pip install Streamlit command. And then from here, this 100 and 15 lines of code is that entire site. So have a look at this here. I import Streamlit as st. Then I can set the page configuration with a line as simple as this. So if I go here, you can see that we've kind of set the icon and we've set the title by simply running this, right? This command. Then I'm able to handle things like state on my site, so I don't need to refresh the site if I want to store data persistently. And then you can see here that if I want to render something, I simply just write st dot whatever I want to render. So in this case, I want to render markdown to the screen. And then I just put the markdown code, or in this case, it was HTML that I want to show. If I want to render something else like a text input box, it's as easy as this, st.textInput. If I want to create a form, I do a form like this. If I want a select box or a form submit button, it's as easy as this. And if I want to check if the user pressed the button, I can just say if submitted, so the name of my button here, and then I can check, for example, the input and make sure that they actually type something. So that's why I really like Streamlit for quick demos, small prototypes, things related to data, viewing charts, etc., because it's very fast to spin up these sites, but it just can be a little bit unintuitive when you're building something super large.